video. My name is Caleb, and in today's video we are going to be learning how to create a Metamask cryptocurrency wallet. So Metamask has several different avenues you can go about creating this wallet, and it will be done using an extension in your internet browser. For Macs, you can also download the iPhone version of the application straight onto your desktop so that you have it right there, just like that. So let's get started. We're going to open up our Firefox browser, and this will be similar across the board for all of the other internet browser extension downloads like you would for Google Chrome or Internet Explorer. So from here we'll type in metamask.io, and that takes us straight to their website, and we will hit download now right there, and you'll see the different avenues you can go about downloading this. And we'll install MetaMask for Firefox right onto the browser. We'll hit add to Firefox right there, add, and you'll see it pop up right there. So from there it reloads the page, and now we've got this fox following the mouse around. So then we'll hit get started, and if you have a wallet already, you can import that wallet by using your secret recovery phrase, or you can create a new one right here. So we'll click create a wallet, and then this is just some analytics that they want to make their services a little bit better, and we can generate a password for that. Hit agree, read the terms of use policy, hit create. There is a video that shows you a little bit how to secure your wallet regarding your secret recovery phrase and how to keep that safe. That's super important. This is a phrase that you want to write down on a piece of paper, not store on your device. Keep it away from the internet, because this is your only means, if you forget your password, to recover your cryptocurrency wallet that is on the blockchain. So we'll hit next as if we've watched the video, and right here is where our secret recovery phrase will reveal itself. So from here I am just going to copy this for the sake of the video, but write this down on paper, put it in a safe place, don't share it with anybody. And I'll paste that right there, and the reason I'm going to do that is because it is going to ask me to verify that I've written down the secret recovery phrase correctly. And then hit confirm. Congratulations, you have successfully saved your secret recovery phrase. And then we'll hit all done, and just like that you have created a MetaMask cryptocurrency wallet. You have your address right here, and you can copy that to your clipboard, and you can share that publicly. That is totally public. You can find it on Etherscan, so don't worry about giving that out. From here you can see where you can buy cryptocurrencies, and you can also import or send your cryptocurrencies to this exchange by copying that clipboard and using that address on a different wallet that you may have, or a different exchange. Send that right to your MetaMask wallet and do that way. And then you can also swap exchanges. So in our case we'll do 1 ETH, and then we'll go to the Polygon blockchain or Matic, and then review the swap. It'll tell us what the conversion is and give us some gas fees. Because I don't have any currencies in my account right now, I don't believe that it's actually going to work for me. Yep, I need one more to complete the swap. It gives me the estimated gas fees, which is somewhat low, and then you could hit swap right there and do that. So if you had an NFT, you could also view that right in this tab. There would be another tab that would say NFTs. You click on that and you can view your tabs that way. So there you have it. That is exactly how you can create a MetaMask cryptocurrency wallet and start buying NFTs with your friends. And just a heads up, the Townskaters NFT collection is a collection of 10,000 unique NFTs, and that is dropping on June 21st, 2022. It is the first day of summer, and it is also National Skateboarding Day in the US. So check that out at townskaters.xyz, where you can mint straight from our DApp. And tell everybody about it. Thanks for watching, guys. Have a great day.